In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Gemini Live on PC. We'll walk through 3 straightforward methods so you can start talking to Gemini in real time. I'll keep it simple, explain what to expect on each screen, and share a few helpful tips so everything works smoothly. First, let's use the web version with Mic Chat. Open Gemini in your browser and sign in with your Google account. Once you're on the main page, look for the small microphone or voice icon near the message box. If you see it, click it. Your browser will likely ask for permission to use your microphone. Choose Allow so Gemini can hear you. From there, just start speaking naturally. You'll see Gemini listen and respond live, much like a phone call. If the audio seems quiet or choppy, speak clearly and keep your microphone a comfortable distance from your mouth. A quiet environment helps a lot, and a stable internet connection will keep responses snappy. If you don't see the mic icon yet, don't worry. We'll cover what to try in a moment. Second, for the best support, use Google Chrome. Open Chrome, go to the Gemini website, and when the mic prompt appears, grant access. Chrome often receives the newest voice features first, so real-time responses are more consistent. If you previously blocked mic access, you can re-enable it from the address bar's site controls. Once permission is on, use voice input just like before. Click the microphone and speak. You should get quick, natural back-and-forth replies. Finally, if Gemini Live or the mic option isn't visible, here's how to troubleshoot. Update your browser to the latest version so you're not missing new capabilities. Check that your Google account is in a supported region, since availability can vary by location and rollout schedule. Try opening Gemini in an incognito window. This isolates the session and can clear out cached settings that interfere with the mic. If you use extensions, especially privacy, ad blocking, or recording tools, temporarily disable anything that might block microphone access. And remember, not every PC has the full live mode yet. So if it still doesn't appear, give it some time for the feature to roll out to your account. That's it. Open Gemini, sign in, enable the mic, and talk. Use Chrome for the most reliable experience, and if Live isn't showing up, update, check region support, try incognito, and review extensions. You're ready to have real-time conversations with Gemini on your PC.